So most of you are facing issue on this lab that you are using different operating system when we're unable to complete the lab. So here is the updated solution for it. Simply click on Start Lab and special thanks to Srinath for this update. Now just open the console incognito window. Now here click on I understand. Now from here click on I agree and continue. And just let me first of all change the appearance to light mode. From here just come to the compute engine, virtual machine, and from here just copy this external IP. Now in the description box I have shared this URL. Okay, you have to just paste in the computer region the external IP. Now come to task number 1. From here just copy the username, then password, and simply click on connect. If it is not showing, just simply refresh the browser. Okay, now here again we have to enter the username and password over here. So let's see. So it did not ask me now, but if it asks, you can enter this username and password again. Now what you need to do, come over here for the next step, and first thing we'll just change the directory and just in my open the my Windows app. Okay, so we are just creating a directory over here. So now for the task number 2, we'll search first of all change the directory. So for the task number 2, first of all we'll make a directory of my Windows app. So just copy it, come over here, and in the search box just type command prompt. Okay, right click, run as administrator, and yes, now it is ready. Paste it, hit enter. Now just change the directory, paste it, hit enter. Now come over here and just create a content folder. After that, we have to create an index.html file over here. And now we'll be just opening the file in Notepad and just add the contents over there. So just copy the contents, paste over here, file, save, close it. Come over here and just create a Docker file also. Now again we'll be opening the Notepad and just adding these contents over there. File, save it. Now just run this command, close it over here, and simply hit enter. Now it will do the task. Wait for some more time. If it lags, you can simply try to hit enter. So finally this step is done, and if you face issue you can hit enter and see it again. Now let's come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and special thanks to Srinath for the update. Have a great day ahead.